Ohio, Kinayo, South Carolina, first day. And me and my husband still fighting for nonsense thing. We forgot toothpaste.
I didn't forget toothpaste.
He
You
he
forgot.
have a toothpaste. Look at this, guys. Let me see. Show it. And then he don't want to, share. Emote.
What to do? Elegant dress bringing person.
Speaking of elegant, he's not supportive. I brought elegant clothes over there. Okay? Elegant dresses, like that. All of it is brownie beige. Look at his clothes. I already put in the This is underwear. Nay, t-shirt. Okay na puro t-shirt. Short. Okay na di pang trabaho na matito at dun sapi. Nalan ng sapi di at dabot-tabot tao na ako. Hanga sa porte. Nilagay ko. Ang kita nyo, nagmamayali. Indaldala nga dress ko. Awan man, palpak man natin ang bakasyones ko.
Oh, did you bring mouthwash?
No mouthwash.
What's that?
No mouthwash.
Huh?
No mouthwash. Ay, you have mouthwash. Can I borrow lang? Nemo.
I'm got enough for me.
4 days. I'm going to buy. I'm going to shopping. I'm going to shopping, but I need your card. I still don't know how to use my card. So we need your card.
Whatever.
So here's CJ's pasalubong. Let us see if she want it. And this is the ref. I put it already there. Charan! There's a pang pakbet over there. I'm going to cook pakbet, but I don't know if it's allowed here. Or speaking of that, let us see the outside. Taran! Wow! Bongga! There's a swimming pool. Is that from the neighbor or here?
What?
I think it's from here. The swimming pool. Oh, wow. Relaxing. Oh, look at the trees. Good morning. Yeah, it's the swimming pool. What appetit. Ay, ang ganda ng South Carolina. Wow. Nice, baby. Relax. Alright. Oh, my love, my darling. Divided the door entrance to the CR. Here's the room. Let's go for what? Huh? I like the mirror. I like this kind of house, loves. Yeah, lots of mirror. I like this kind of one. We're going to make this in the Philippines, okay? Lots of mirror. Okay? Nay, naka-bisin, shorts nga talaga. Ano nga, pagbadog ka tang, partnerang kan, dangay. Gamit ko ati belt nila kaya. Kailan ba yung reaction na? Loves, can you make my, What? Can you put my necklace?
Oh my gosh, my
What?
wife.
I don't have belt. Maybe you need to buy me a belt.
My belt wrapped around you twice.
Oh, come on, put my necklace. Since you're wearing t-shirt, I'm wearing t-shirt. And wearing your belt. That's what you get.
That's what I get. For what? Not buying you a belt. Oh, that's right. You
No,
have lots of belts at home.
I know. Oh, you don't wear elegant. You wear t-shirt only.
That's because I'm on vacation.
On vacation, that's why. Why we need to wear the one we wear in the house. This is my long vacation and then you don't make it, ano?
We don't need to make it elegant.
Elegant.
What the hell we...
Uy, you don't make me coffee. Huh? But I want listen, there's a coffee. Coffee for me, everything is okay.
Oh, yeah.
As long as coffee.
Well, we can buy some.
Why it's not hot? That's coffee is not very good if it's not hot.
Let's go. I want to go eat breakfast.
You don't want me to make breakfast
No, we'll eat lunch and then you can cook, pack bed or whatever.
for dinner?
Cooking, yeah.
All right.